Season's greetings, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for this video. Today I have a really fun Christmas inspired DIY to share with you guys. I make variations of these oversized bouquets for pretty much every season, and so I wanted to film this season's bouquet for you guys because I always have a lot of fun making these, and I always love how they turn out. They're always a little bit different each year. And so this is just a really fun, colorful, sparkly bouquet that is filled with a ton of Christmas cheer. I hope that you guys will enjoy it. Let's jump right in and get started. So the first thing that you guys will need is a vase. Depending on how big you want the arrangement to be, I use a pretty tall vase. I use the same vase for every season, but I wish my vase had a bigger opening. So keep that in mind when choosing your vase. Next up, you'll need a small set of string lighting. This part is optional and it's only going to be useful if your vase is clear and you can see through it. And then really the rest of these items is where you get to be creative and you can kind of incorporate a ton of seasonal, floral, and accents. So I found all of these pieces from Michael's, and I just have a huge selection of Christmas decor. I have some floral, some little red berries, I have gold tones, little reindeer heads. Michael's just has a huge selection of these little accent pieces for floral. So I always have so much fun when picking out new accent pieces for these bouquets. But like I said, you can be as creative as you want to be when it comes to this. You can stick to one color scheme, or you can just go all out and make a huge colorful bouquet like I did this year. Either way, it's going to turn out beautiful. I just like to add a lot of accent pieces as well as floral just to make this bouquet as filled as possible. And if you are going to be using the string lighting, you are going to want to place the string lighting inside of the vase. And pretty much the only way to do this is to take the center of the string lighting and then just start stuffing the lighting inside of the vase. Of course, you want to make sure that both ends of the cord are out and still usable. And like I said, I really wish that I had a vase that had a larger opening just so that I wouldn't have to try so hard to stuff these lights inside and then work even harder to get all of my floral decor in there. And then the next step is to just start stuffing in your floral and your accent pieces. I always try to start with like the largest part of the arrangement and kind of like build my base up. I am using these droopy type of pines and pine cones. I think that they're just so whimsical and different, and so I was really excited to find these. So you just want to start with your biggest focal point and then add your filler as you go along. So I like to create a lot of movement, so I have a lot of my accent pieces kind of going in all different directions, and I just try to fill in the gaps as I go. And if I see an area that just needs a little bit of sprucing, I just place an accent piece there. So like I said, I chose pieces of all different colors, all different sizes. And another thing I love about faux floral and floral accent pieces is that you can kind of manipulate all of these to give the correct movement and the correct style and look and feel that you think is best. I just love how custom these are and unique. And they're just so easy to make. They really don't cost too much to create either. And they're just so much fun to put together, and then most importantly to enjoy throughout the season. So here you can kind of see the finished product. I love all of the color, all of the feels and vibes of Christmas. This just puts me in the mood, and I am so excited for this season to be upon us. I can say that I wish I would have just stuck with white string lighting for this, and you will see how the colored lights look in a second, but for next year I am going to stick with the white lighting. I just think that it gives a more classic feel, especially when I have so much color going on with the floral and the accent pieces. So that about does it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it was super quick and super easy. If you do create a similar version, please make sure to tag me on my Instagram account. I would love to see what you guys come up with. And if you enjoyed this video and if you would like to see more Christmas DIY videos, please let me know by commenting in the comment section and also liking this video. I would love to do more DIY videos on my channel, so let me know that you guys are enjoying them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, take care, and please make sure to enjoy this Christmas season with your family and your friends. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.